this setup and the way you can bend the legs. And then of course the surprise is the stud that's attached to the back of the web. So you can actually hang it, attach it to something, Lego, and hang your spider. Very, very cool surprise. You just turn this gear on the back and it winds up the spider web into the body of the spider. So age range, I would say you're looking at about 7 older. There were a lot of little tiny builds. You saw me making the legs and snapping all of that together. As far as price per piece, I think this came out to be 7 cents per piece, which is less than the going 10 cents per piece that Lego does. This was a $12.99 set. It is still available at lego.com, but you can also pick this up at Walmart and Target. This is a 3-in-1, so we also have a scorpion and we have a snake. All things that bite and sting, so that's kind of fun. And I think that the 2 fangs here are glow in the dark, so that's fun too. You could put this on a shelf, you could hang this from someone's ceiling, and it would be a fun addition to a room. So for language, I'm actually gonna give this 6 out of 10. You're not really getting into a lot of language areas while you're building. It's very tedious. You can talk about why there's so many eyes. You can talk about the number of legs and things like that. So there are some language things here. And then of course, once you get in build, you can talk about spiders and scary. And now playability. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. And the reason why is because, well, number one, you've got the web. You've also got the ability to put him on a shelf or hang him. But I'm gonna borrow Princess Leia here. You'll notice the size is kind of perfect for a large spider that's about to attack, you know, a minifig. So age 7 up. Really good deal, really fun build. I'm not sure what the scorpion or the snake will hold. I don't know if we actually use the twine. Oh, we may have to build the other 2 and see. But that's it for today. So if you didn't see my last build, be sure you go back and check it out. It was our spooky barn, and we added a light kit. So that is in my living room and my mantle. And then the spider will be joining it very soon. So our next build will be the Mystic Witch set, but this time we are going to build the dragon. If you haven't had an opportunity to go back and watch last year's build of the Mystic Witch, please do that. Hey, if you have a spooky build that you love to build every year, be sure you include that in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy these builds, and if you want to see more like this, definitely hit subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Have a wonderful week. Be sure and communicate with your kiddos, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.